Thank you for joining it, and I'm back with another review. I have some more art supplies here today, and I did have some brushes. So these are specific travel watercolor brushes, and they do come with these cute little pouches. And there are a few different sets from this company. It's Fuumuui, I think is how you pronounce it, Fuumuui Art, and I will put it across the screen there too. So this first set here, there's 3 different brushes. They are very soft to the touch, and we have sizes 4, 8, and 12 in the first set here. So the size 12 definitely holds a lot of water if you're somebody who does bigger paintings or you really like the wet on wet technique and use a little bit more water as opposed to more of a dry brush look. And then your 8 is pretty standard. That's the size that I always use, an 8 round. And then you have your small one for details. What's nice about these two is that there is a little hole on the bottom of these as well. So when you're all done and you're cleaning up here, you're just going to take it apart and put it back, and you don't have to worry about that because there's a little air hole down there, which I thought was really nice. The quality is really nice. They're definitely sturdy. They are metal on the base there on the bottom with a little bit of gold detail with the brown and the black. And the second set I have here, these are silver instead of the black, and then there's a little bit of brown where the company name is and the sizing. One thing I will say though, as I'm pulling them out here, there's no sizing on the bottom part here. So you don't know which brush is which until you actually open them up. So there's that, but it's not really that big of a deal. But as far as labeling, maybe that's something that can be added. But we have again here a size 8, and this was the little flat top brush. And then you have another size 8 in the round. And then the angled brush is also a size 8. And then you have your little one, which is a 4, but I will show a comparison. It kind of looks like a 6 to me, just if anybody is curious. And they also offer, some of them are synthetic and some of them aren't, so you can make sure you're looking in the description to whatever it is that you prefer. And here's, I just wanted to show, a lot of people have the silver black velvet brushes, so this is just a size comparison. Because they're travel brushes, that barrel on the end is a little bit bigger, but they are pretty much the same in length. And both brushes were a size 8 there. And here I just wanted to show a quick comparison between the size 4. The brown one is my Princeton Neptune size 4, which is a lot smaller than the other one. If you're thinking about getting a travel set like this for yourself, I wanted to show here too that the size 4s are a little bit different as well. So you can see one is slightly bigger there than the other, just if anybody was curious. I'm going to go ahead here and show some close-ups of all these brushes as well as some swatches. The small dagger brush that I'm using is really nice for florals and leaves and trees as well, because as you press down you can get those thicker strokes, or you can put it upright and get the really skinny lines. So there's lots of variety with this brush. This bigger brush that's the size 12 and the other set is really nice. I liked it for florals, so I can really get those like big juicy flowers because it holds so much water. And everything was very smooth and even. So you can see how much water that brush holds. That's pretty good. Overall, I think the quality of these brushes is really nice. The one set I received recently, the other one I've had for a month, so I did get some time to test these out thoroughly, and there was little to no shedding. Yeah, and again, if you're somebody who's traveling on the go or always on the go, taking your stuff with you, they come in handy. Also, these would make a really nice gift as well. And I do believe that the sets are around $20. They are on sale, and I will put them in the description down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.